Hello everyone, I never would have thought that pouring flour into loofah would result in such a unique dish. If you learn this recipe, your whole family will praise you as a master chef. First, prepare 2 fresh loofahs. Use a peeler to remove the skin. After peeling, cut them in half. Then cut each half into 4 pieces. Next, cut them into small sections. After cutting, place them in a large bowl and add a spoonful of salt. Pour in enough water to cover the loofah. Soak them for 5 minutes to prevent oxidation and browning. Prepare a tomato, score the top with a cross, then put it in a bowl and pour boiling water over it for a while to make peeling easier. Once blanched, peel off the skin. Then cut it again. Dice it into small cubes. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare a handful of seafood mushrooms and cut them into small sections. After cutting, put them into clean water. Use your hands to wash them thoroughly. After washing, take them out and place them on a plate for later use. Prepare some scallions and chop them into scallion rings. After chopping, put them on a plate. Cut a few sprigs of cilantro into sections. Finely chop 20 grams of ginger. Cut a section of large green onion into scallion rings. Prepare 2 authentic hen eggs and crack them into a bowl. Use chopsticks to beat them thoroughly. Our soaked loofah is ready. Take it out and squeeze out the excess water. Put it into another large bowl. Then add a heaping spoonful of flour to the loofah. Stir evenly with chopsticks so that every piece of loofah is coated with a layer of flour. Mix it until it looks like this, then set it aside for later use. Add a little cooking oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, pour in the beaten eggs. Scramble the eggs until they are cooked and broken up. After the eggs are done, take them out and set aside. Add a little more oil to the pan. Add minced ginger and chopped green onions and stir fry until fragrant. Then add the diced tomatoes and stir fry until the tomato juices are released. Make sure to cook out the tomato juice. This way the aroma will be even richer. Then add the seafood mushrooms. Stir fry to bring out the umami flavor of the seafood mushrooms. Dear friends, if you've watched the video up to this point and found it helpful, please take a moment to like and share it. Your likes and shares are the greatest support for me. Thank you very much. After stir-frying, add a generous amount of water. Start seasoning by adding a spoonful of salt. Add an appropriate amount of pepper. Since the ingredients are already quite fresh, there's no need to add any other seasonings. Turn the heat to high and bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the loofah. Gently stir with chopsticks to help the loofah heat evenly. Then cover with a lid and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the scrambled eggs. Stir evenly with a spatula, then cook for about another minute. Finally, add chopped green onions and cilantro. Mix well with the spatula. Drizzle a little sesame oil on top. Alright, it's ready to serve. Transfer it to a large bowl, and a delicious and appetizing 3 delicacies loofah soup is ready. The ingredients are plentiful, the soup is fresh and tasty, light and not greasy, perfect for all ages. If you like it, be sure to save the recipe and give it a try.